My name is Zuelli. I'm working for Mibelle Biochemistry. I'm the managing director of this Swiss-based company, and we are in the field of cosmetic ingredients. And now the cosmetic industry is always looking for new plant-derived materials, exotic ones, maybe rare ones, to find more functional properties for their cosmetic applications. Now, it is sometimes very difficult to get all these new materials because the plants are maybe protected, or the plants cannot be cultivated, or these plants are not available in the necessary amounts in the wild. So our company has developed a new technology which was launched 2008 called Phytocell Tech to overcome these limitations. With this technology, we can grow plant cells in the laboratory in large amounts without interfering with nature. Now you ask yourself, how can we do that? The process operates like that we have to go out once into nature. We take a small piece of a plant, like a fruit, a leaf, or whatever, a flower. We bring it back to our laboratory. Then this plant material is cut, and it will try to form a so-called wound healing tissue. And this wound healing tissue is based on stem cells. Then we isolate these stem cells, and these stem cells can then be grown in bioreactors in huge amounts. With this technology, we really can work in a sustainable way because we don't have to go out to nature to interfere with nature or challenge nature. We don't need a lot of water to cultivate these plants. And we don't interact with the land, which is maybe used for other purposes like food or what else. Now, what are products? I can give you one or two examples. We have established the argon stem cell culture. This is coming from the argon tree, very well known in the cosmetic industry. The argon tree grows only in Morocco, north of Africa, and the tree is protected because it has been reduced tremendously due to overculturing the land. And we could get from one, let's say, leaf from the tree, we could establish this stem cell culture, and now we can produce these cells for the cosmetic industry in our bioreactors. In addition, we found that these stem cells from the plant will show beneficial effects on the skin stem cells. Another famous example is a special apple tree. It's a very old breed of apples which actually has disappeared from the market about 200 years ago. There's only a very few trees left in Switzerland, and we could get one apple of this tree. We established the stem cells, and now we can cultivate apple stem cells in our bioreactors, and we can maintain this tree, and we can make this tree and apple extract accessible for the cosmetic industry, where again it showed very interesting properties. Thank you.